Hey everybody, how you do? I'm Gunnarolla, and if there's one thing that gets me super excited these days, it's a package. And I happen to have one right here. I'll give you 5 seconds to guess what's inside. Time's up. It's the new REESE miniatures stuffed with pieces. Love chocolate, love peanut butter, and they finally come together in a miniature experience.
Game changer.
Let's open this baby up. That's peanut butter. Look at that little cutie. At first glance, this appears to be a REESE peanut butter cup, the type that we've all come to love and enjoy. But mini. Cheers. You know how much I love those contrasting textures, and this provides. We've got the smoothness of the chocolate and the peanut butter, but then the crunch of the Reese's Pieces. That was really good. My professional opinion? Delicious, adorable, shareable, and mini. You know, it actually got me thinking about how many mini things I have in my office right now. Mini GorillaPod, mini Sriracha, mini Starship Enterprise, mini Sphinx, mini DV camera, mini Google Home, mini hammer, mini keyboard, mini recorder. Miniature things are having a moment, and as the forecaster of trends, I'm calling it now. Mini is in. Also, bangs, because the 90s are back. In the comments below, let me know what kinds of miniature things you can find in your surrounding environment. And if you're looking for a snack, good things come in small packages. I'll see you next time.
Wasn't looking, but I finally found you. Thinking this is something I could get used to. Never knew that this is how it could be. Just hope that you can see. You make it look so easy. You make it look so easy. You make it look so easy.